Disconnect the compressed air feeding. Remove the sleeve. Remove the tie rod. Assemble a required size head on the sleeve. Assemble a tie rod for blind rivet bolt. Assemble a sleeve. Set up the machine to the minimum stroke by rotating the knob clockwise. Turn on the air feeding. Set up the head, making sure that the nut head is in contact with the till head and that the threads are clutched. Make the first cycle of work, maybe verifying an insufficient deformation. It is necessary to increase the stroke. Disconnect the compressed air feeding. Turn on the air feeding. A slight increase of deformation is still required. Disconnect the compressed air feeding. Turn on the air feeding. Optimal deformation.